بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعزائي طلبة وطالبات شهادة الثانوية العامة قسم رياضة لغات، أهلا بكم. اليوم سنتطرق إلى درس جديد في مادة الجبر اسمه نظرية الاحتمال. طبعا نظرية ذات الحدين. نظرية ذات الحدين دي مهمة جدا. طبعا احنا عندنا قبل كده لو كان عاوز تجيب براكت باور 2 كانت سهلة جدا انها تحسبه، او باور 3، ولكن لو الباور اكتر من 3 دي كانت مشكلة، فعملوا نظرية جديدة اسمها نظرية ذات الحدين. Welcome my dear student in our math program for secondary 3. Today we are taking new lesson. It's titled Binomial Theorem. My dear student, look at introduction about binomial theorem. Dear student, binomial theorem. If we have bracket contains x plus a for all power n. X plus a for all power n means nc0, a power 0, x power n plus nc1, a power 1, x power n minus 1 plus nc2, a power 2, x power n minus 2 plus space to reach ncr, second term power r, first term power n minus r, plus ncn, a power n, x power 0. My dear student, this is according to descending order of x. Look at, my dear student, find expansion of x plus a for all power 5. Second expansion, bracket contains to x plus 3y for all power 4. My dear student, look at the solution. X plus a for all power 5 means x power 5, 5c1, a power 1, x power 5 power 4. Remember, my dear student, if we have bracket contains x plus a for all power 5, how many terms we find? X student, 6 terms. When bracket power 5, we have 6 terms. If we bracket its power 6, we have 7 terms, and so on. Then bracket x plus a for all power 5 equals x power 5 plus 5c1, a power 1, x power 4 plus 5c2, a power 2, x power 3 to reach 5c5, a power 5, x power 0. Then answer is x power 5, 5a x power 4, 10a power 2, x power 3 plus 10a power 3 x power 2 plus 5a power 4 x power 1 plus a power 5. Remember, my dear student, the power of x is descending. Start from x power 5, x power 4, second term, third term, x power 3 to reach x power 0. But the second term start from a power 1, a power 2, a power 3 to reach a power 5. Remember, my dear student, if we have bracket contains power 5, we have 6 terms. Look at when expand bracket contains 2x plus 3y for all power 4. First, 2x power for all power 4 plus 4c1, 3y for all power 1, 2x bracket contains 2x for all power 3 plus 4c2, second term 3y for all power 2, first term 2x for all power 2 plus 4c3, second term 3y for all power 3, multiply bracket 2x for all power 1 plus 4c4, 3y inside bracket for all power 4. My dear student, this is binomial theorem. Bracket power 4, we have 5 terms equals 16x power 4 plus 96y x power 3 plus 216y power 2x power 2 plus 216y power 3x plus 81y power 4. First special case, bracket contains x minus a for all power n equals x power n minus nc1 a power 1 x power n minus 1 plus nc2 a power 2 x power n minus 2 minus space to reach a power n. My dear student, if we have x plus 1 for all power n, then this 1 x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 to the last term 1 power n is 1 according to descending power x. My dear student, 1 plus x for all power n equals 1 plus nc1 x power 1 plus nc2 x power 2 and so on to reach x power n. X minus 1 for all power n also by the same method, x power n minus nc1 x power n minus 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 2 minus nc3 plus x times x power n minus 3 to reach negative 1 for all power n. Look at, if we have x minus 1 inside bracket for all power n, we have number of terms n plus 1, n plus 1 number of terms. First term x power n, last term negative 1 for all power n. My dear student, look at the first example. Find the expansion, bracket contains 1 plus 2a for all power 7. Look at, my dear student, 1 plus 2a power 7 by using binomial theorem, 1 power 7 plus 7c1 multiply 2a power 1 plus 7c2 multiply bracket 2a for all power 2 plus 7c3 bracket contains 2a power 3 to reach 7c7 2a power 7. Then we are translate to another one. 1 plus 9x plus 9 times 8 over 2 plus 1 x squared plus space plus 9 power x for x for all power 9 equal 512. Find the value of x. My dear student, look at this expansion of bracket 1 plus x for all power 9. If we have bracket contains 1 plus x for all power 9 equal 512, we search what is the number power 9 equal 512. Look at the solution. Left hand side 1 plus 9c1 x power 1 plus 9c2 x power 2 plus space 2 x power 9 equal 512 equals 2 power 9. What you mean? My dear student, 1 plus x for all power 9 equals 2 power 9. Then 1 plus x equals 2. Therefore, x equal what? X equals 1. Then the value of x equals 1. Find, my dear student, the value of 0.97 for all power 10 approximated to decimal places. My dear student, by using binomial theorem, we know that 0.97 equals what? X student, 1 minus 0.03. Then look at, my dear student, 0.97 for all power 10 equals bracket contains 1 minus 0.03 for all power 10. By using binomial theorem, 1 power 10 equals 1 minus 10 c1 second 0.03 for all power 1 plus 10 c2 multiply 0.03 for all power 2 minus 10 c3 multiply 0.03 for all power 3 and so on to reach to 0.74. Find the value of bracket contains 1 plus 2 square root x for all power 5 plus bracket contains 1 minus 2 square root x for all power 5. Look at, my dear student, by using binomial theorem. 1 minus 2 square root x for all power 5 equals t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus t4 plus t5 plus t6. Why? Because we have bracket for all power 5. How many terms? How many terms when we have bracket for all power 5? 6 terms. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term. 1 minus 2 root x for all power 5. We have 6 terms, and by using the same method, 1 minus 2 root x power 5, 1 minus 2 t2, t3, t4. The first term 1 plus, second term 1 minus. By using addition, we calculate 2 t1 plus 2 t3 plus 2 t5, or 2 multiply or terms t1 plus t3 plus t5 multiply 2. t1 equal 1. Then 2 multiply 1 power 5 plus 2 5c2 multiply 2 square root x for all power 2 multiply plus 2 multiply 5c4 multiply 2 square root x for all power 4. First term 2 t1, 2 multiply t1, 2 multiply 1 for all power 5, plus 2 t3 means 2 5c2 multiply 2 square root x for all power 2, and plus 2 square root 2 5c4 2 t5, t5 5c4 2 square root x for all power 4. Then by using calculator, answer is 2 plus 2 times 10 plus times 4x plus 2 times 5 times 16x squared equals 2 plus 80x plus 160x squared. Then x plus, when find the value of x if left hand side bracket contains x plus root 3 for all power 4 minus x minus square root 3 for all power 4 equal 96 root 3 power x. By using, my dear student, binomial theorem, x plus root 3 for all power 4. How many terms? 5 terms. Equal t1 plus t2 plus t3 plus t4 plus t5. And x minus root 3 for all power 4. By the same method, t1 minus t2 plus t3 minus t4 plus t5 minus t6. Then, by using the method, therefore, we have left hand side equal 2t2 plus t2t4. Why? Because we have the first bracket for all power 4, second bracket for all power 4. By using the binomial theorem, left hand side became 2 times t2 plus 2 times t4 equals, we take 2 common factor, or we multiply 2, t2 equals what? 4c1 square root 3 power 1 x for all power 3 plus t4 multiply 2 equals 2 multiply t4 equal 4c3 root 3 for all power 3 x power 1 equals 2 times 4 root 3 x power 3 plus 2 times 4 times 3 root 3 x. Therefore, by using left hand side equal right hand side, then equation equals minus 6 root 3 x equals 8 root 3 x power 3 plus 24 root 3 x. Divided each term by 8 root 3. Then x power 3 plus 3x equals 12x. Then left hand side became x power 3 minus x minus 9x equals 0. by taking x common factor, then the required is x multiply x power 2 minus 9 for all power 1 equals 0 by using solution set x equals 0 and x equal positive or negative 3. Therefore, solution set equals 0, 3 or negative 3. The value of x may be equal 0, 3 or negative 3. Note that, my dear student, 1.04 for all power 6 plus 0.96 for all power 6 equals what? 1.04 is 1 plus 0.04 for all power 6. 0.96 means 1 minus 0.04 for all power 6. Binomial theorem, by using binomial theorem, equals 2.048. Then when divided 96 root x equals 8 root 3 x power 3 plus 24 root 3 x divided by 8 root 3, therefore 12x equal x power 3 plus 3x. Then x power 3 minus 9x equals 0 by taking x common factor, then x equals 0, x equals 3, x equals negative 3. Therefore, solution set 0, 3, negative 3. My dear student, now we are translate to new title is called finding the term free of x and coefficient of x. My dear student, an expansion 3x power 2 minus x power 3 for all power 10. We have term free of x, and how to prove that there is no exact term concluded x power 8. Look at, my dear student, the solution. If we have general term tr plus 1 equal 10 cr, 10 means n, cr. Second term power r, first term power 10 minus r. Then general term tr plus 1 equals 10 cr negative x power negative 3 for all power r, first term 3x power 2 for all 10 minus r. Then answer is 10 cr negative 1 for all power r, x for all power negative 3r. Multiply 3 power 10 minus r, multiply x power 20 minus 2r. Answer is 10 cr negative 1 for all power r, 3 power 10 minus r, multiply x power 20 minus 5r. Therefore, my dear student, let 20 minus 5r equals 5 to find the value of r. If we have 20 minus 5r equal 5, therefore r in this case 5r equals 15, r equals 3. Then the term is 3 plus 1 t4. t4, coefficient of t4 equal 10 c3 negative 1 for all power 3, 3 for all power 7 by using calculator to find the value. My dear student, to get the term free of x, let 20 minus 5r equals 0, then r equals what? R equal 20 over 5, r equal 4. Then t5, 10 c4 negative 1 power 4, 3 power 6 by using calculator is refused. Why? Because 10 c4, look at, my dear student, 20 minus 5r equals 8. In this case, 5r equals 12. When divided by 5, r equals 12 over 5, not equals or not belongs to z positive. In this case, r equals 24 refused. Therefore, my dear student, there is no term included x power 8. My dear student, if we have 20 minus 5r equal 8, in this case r 5r equals 12, r equals 12 divided 5 not belongs to z positive. There is no included x power 8. Look at, my dear student, in expansion of bracket contains 2x minus 3 over 2x power 3 for all power 12. Find the coefficient of 1 over x for all power 4 and term free of x. My dear student, tr plus 1 general term equals 12cr, second term bracket negative 3 over 2x power 3 for all power r, first term 2x power 12 minus r. My dear student, in general term 12cr, we distribute the value of r or power r about negative 3 over 2 and x power 3. Then tr plus 1, my dear student, equals 12cr multiply bracket contains negative 3 over 2 x power 3 for all power r multiply 2x for all 12 minus r. Then answer is 12cr multiply negative 3 over 2 for all power r, x power negative cr, don't forget multiply 2 power 12 minus r multiply x power 12 minus r. Look at, my dear student, we have two values of x power negative 3 r and x power 12 minus r. Therefore, find x power 12 minus 4r, and we have 12cr multiply negative 3 over 2, this coefficient of the number. Let 12 minus 4r equal 0, 12 for r equal 3. Then T4 equal 12C3 multiply negative 3 over 2 for all power 3 multiply bracket 2 power 9 by using calculator to find the value. To get coefficient of 1 over x power 4 or x power negative 4, we form equation 12 minus 4r equal negative 4, then 4r equal 16, r equal 4. Then the term is T5. T5 by using coefficient of T5 equal 12C4 multiply 3 over negative 3 over 2 for all power 4 multiply 2 power 8 by using calculator to calculate T5. Another example. Find the term free of x in expansion of x power 5 multiply bracket 3x plus 1 over 2x for all power 9. My dear student, x power 5 multiply x power negative 5 equal x power 0, the term free of x. tr plus 1 equal x power 5 times 9c1 multiply 1 over 2x for all power r multiply 3x for all power 9 minus r. Therefore, answer is x power 5, 9cr 1 over 2 for all power r multiply 3 for all power 9 minus r, x power 9 minus r. Then we have x power 9 minus 2r. Then look at, my dear student, 14 minus 2r equals 7 equals 0, r equals 7. Term free is T8. Coefficient is of T8 by using r equals 7 equals 9c7 1 over 2 for all power 7 3 for all power 2. Answer is 81 over 32. My dear student, by the end of the lesson, my dear student, we know that if we have term free of x, what is the meaning of term free of x? General term tr plus 1 means in cr second term power r first term power n minus r. if we find the term free of x, we must form equation after the value of x, my dear student. We form equation left hand side x power n minus r or n minus 2 as example equal x power 0. If x power n minus 2 equal x power 0, therefore n equals 2. In this case, if n equals 2, the term free is T3. Why? When we find the coefficient of T3 or third term means NC2, second term power 2, first term power n minus 2. Binomial theorem is very important lesson. Why? Because before that, if we have bracket contains 2 terms for all power 2. How many terms? Excellent study, 3 terms. If we have x plus a for all power 2, we have 3 terms. X power 2, a power plus a power 2, plus 2xa or plus 2ax. We have 3 terms. If we have bracket power contains 2 terms for all power 3, how many terms? Excellent student, 4 terms. Why? Because if we have n equals 3, then how many terms? 4. If we have bracket for all power 2, how many terms? 2 plus 1, 3 terms. And so on. Then binomial theorem, we need it when we have bracket for all power more than 3 is more power 4, power 5, power 6, and so on. If we have bracket contains 2 terms for all power 5, how many terms? Excellent student, we have 6 terms. And we know that important special cases. In binomial theorem, 1 plus x for all power 9. How many terms? 10 terms. The first term, 1 power 9 is 1. The last term, x power 9. After that, we distribute or expand 1 plus x for all power 9 as 9c1, x power 1 plus 9c2, x power 2 plus 9c3, x power 3 plus and so on. And if we have 1 minus x for all power 9, by the same method, equal 1 power 9 equals 1, negative 9c1, x power 1, positive or plus 9c2, x power 2, according to ascending order of x. This theorem, binomial theorem, to solve many problems about bracket contains 2 terms or 3 terms. If we have bracket 1 plus x minus x power 2 for all power 9, this bracket contains 3 terms. But binomial theorem, we must put it in 2 terms only. 1 plus x negative x power 2 for all power 9. We can divide the 3 terms into 2 terms. As example, 1 plus x minus x squared for all power 9, we put 1 plus x inside bracket, this term minus x power 2, other term for all power 9. Or we put 1 as the first term plus bracket contains x minus x squared, second term for all power 9, and by using binomial theorem, 9c1 or the first term power 9, second term 9c1, second term power 1, first term power 9 minus 1 equal 8, and so on. By the end of the lesson, my dear student, I am very happy to spend such time with you. Don't forget math, simple, think, work, produce. Goodbye.